Hi guys, it's Ed from Warthog Defense. Here we confront a disheartening reality, the moral downfall of Russian society amid the invasion of Ukraine. As the conflict unfolds, reports of human rights abuses and ethical breaches paint a grim picture. Here we will see the ethical implication, examining the societal shifts and the challenges faced by a nation grappling with the consequences of its actions. Stay tuned for a closer look at the profound impact on the fabric of Russian society in the wake of this troubling chapter.
Kharkiv, Pavlograd, Kiev. Russia's terror against the Ukrainian civilian population continues tonight. At least 4 dead, and then cry again when Belgorod, Bryansk, or Kursk burn. These people are genuinely hit in the head. I have no other words. That's not even their property. They just stole it and now selling it. Incredible. Russian realtors lead potential buyers through destroyed apartments in Mariupol. Owners have left or got killed. Realtors recommend to invest in Razrushka, a new word derived from Razruka, ruins. Vultures. Disgusting vultures.
Большая гостиная. Гостиная с выходом на лоджию, вид во двор, и есть шикарный вид, открывается с балкона. Пойдемте покажу вам.
The Russian blogger rejoices at the strikes on Kharkiv and asks to repeat them until Russia kills all Ukrainians.
Давайте не будем портить им перемогу. Группа из Харькова. Кстати, как там Харьков? Говорят, от него ничего не осталось. Ой, блин, ну это вам не двери зарисовать. Вот такие вот мы. Мы вот так работаем. Я считаю, надо пару раз еще ебануть по Харькову. Добейте выживших!
The Ukrainian 14th Regiment destroyed another one, rare and newest one, K-148 Yastreb AV artillery reconnaissance complex in the left bank of Kherson region. Also Russian air defense systems Buk M2 and Buk M3, radar system Azupark, and 152mm artillery system, Pantsir-S, were annihilated by Ukrainian soldiers with M142, HIMARS. Lavrov said from the rostrum of the UN Security Council that, just as it should be for brothers and good neighbors, they, Ukrainians, will live after the realization of the goals of the special military operation, whether by military or peaceful means. He added that Russia is ready for negotiations. Why is a terrorist state that commits war crimes every day allowed to be present and speak up at the UN Security Council? The path for negotiations is for Russia to get the hell out of Ukraine. Then the sizes of reparations Russia will pay, and details of trials for Russian war criminals can be discussed.
Именно так, как и положено братьям и добрым соседям, они и будут жить после реализации целей специальной военной операции, будь то военным или мирным путем. Напомню, что мы никогда не отказывались от последнего и всегда сохраняли готовность к переговорам. К переговорам не о том, как сохранить у власти главарей киевского режима и потакать их фантазиям, а о преодолении наследия разрушительного, десятилетнего разграбления страны и насилия.
Finland's Foreign Minister Elina Valtonen today in Brussels. We need significantly more volume of weapons for the long term. We need immediate deliveries to Ukraine, even from inventory. And we need to ramp up the European defense industry. This is in our strategic interest.
For Finland, it's obviously key in the first discussion point, which is Russia's aggression against Ukraine, that we now prepare the solutions which will be hopefully made in the extra council in a few weeks' time, so that we ramp up the EPF, the Ukraine facility. We need significantly more volume, we need to have it long-term, and we need to at the same time make room for immediate deliveries to Ukraine, even out of inventories, and then in parallel to ramp up our defense industry for the European cause, for the long term. It's our strategic interest.
Footage and images released earlier tonight by the UK Ministry of Defence showing the launch of 4 Eurofighter Typhoon with the Royal Air Force equipped with Paveway 4, laser-guided 500 lbs bombs from RAF Akrotiri on the island of Cyprus, in order to link up with 2 Voyager KC-2 aerial refueling tankers before their strike mission against the Houthi terrorist group in western Yemen.
That's it, proper ops, yeah?
And for the end, the U.S. Central Command announced that U.S. forces and allies conduct joint strikes in Yemen. As part of ongoing international efforts to respond to increased Houthi destabilizing and illegal activities in the region, on January 22nd, U.S. Central Command forces alongside UK armed forces and with the support from Australia, Bahrain, Canada, and the Netherlands, conducted strikes on 8 Houthi targets in Iranian-backed Houthi terrorist-controlled areas of Yemen. These strikes from this multilateral coalition targeted areas in Houthi-controlled Yemen used to attack international merchant vessels and U.S. Navy ships in the region. The targets included missile systems and launchers, air defense systems, radars, and deeply buried weapons storage facilities. These strikes are intended to degrade Houthi capability to continue their reckless and unlawful attacks on U.S. and UK ships, as well as international commercial shipping in the Red Sea, Bab al-Mandeb Strait, and the Gulf of Aden. These strikes are separate and distinct from the multinational freedom of navigation actions performed under Operation Prosperity Guardian.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Comment, like, subscribe, become a member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.